Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to spot for all the Clash of Clan related things. Today, I will show you how to change your Clash of Clan password in just a few simple steps. Whether you are looking to secure your account or just want to fresh start, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. And make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap onto the gear icon from the down right corner of your screen. And tap onto your and open your Supercell ID. And tap on gear icon. To change the password of Clash of Clan account, the only option is to change the password of your Gmail account which you are connected with Supercell ID. So in order to do that, you have to go back to your Gmail. Then tap onto your account. Then tap onto the three horizontal line. Tap onto settings. Once you are in your setting interface, you have to tap onto the security and tap onto password. Then you have to enter your correct password and afterwards type in your new password. And you have to again log in and tap on to login with Supercell ID and enter your Gmail. And you will get a verification code on your Gmail. And you have successfully logged in into your Clash of Clan with a new password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.